everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are very happy we got rain since few days without rain. The puppies are there watching the rain. I don't know where's the other sister. I have a yellow hibiscus or the gumamila there. It's very, very nice. The other puppy. Maybe she wants to go to the new house, but she cannot go. She cannot pass in the rain. But she followed the roof. And the white also follow. So they are in the new house now. I take a video of the puppies, Sandra. They follow the roof going back to the new house. They were there month before. Oh, diba? It's so nice. Yeah.
Happy?
Yes, I'm so happy. I don't need to water the plants today. Thank you so much, rain. Since few days, I don't know how many days, maybe more than almost a week without the rain. And the sun is always strong. And I water the plants every afternoon, including all the strawberries. So now I'm very happy I didn't have to water the plants. And I'm sure the plants are more happy because they get very good rain. The rain is always better because it's always enough for the plants. Because if I only water manually, most of the time the soil is not completely wet under. But with the rain, especially rain like this, I'm sure they're very happy. And I think more seeds will grow because I dropped so many zinnia seeds on the soil and some marigold seeds. Yeah, it's very nice. Our new hibiscus, yellow. It's from the cutting, one of the cuttings that I planted before. And also we get white. And then another good thing with the rain is that all our barrels will be refilled, and it can really minimize the water bill. Chris, we're having coffee actually because it's already 2 in the afternoon. And Christian is in front of his laptop taking his coffee, and he stand up when the rain started. He stands up to check the barrels and the gutter. And normally they are working good. And now he is back in front of his laptop. The goats are always in their goat park, so maybe they find coconut to shelter. But maybe I need to bring them because I think we will get more rain. So I need to bring them to their house. The mahogany trees are happy again. They have very nice leaves. Wow, it's getting heavier. Thank you so much for watching our video. It's a very wonderful rain here in the farm. Have a nice day, everyone.